Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the application, you should see the health page. Now find the device icon and tap on it to open the device page. On the device page, you should see your Redmi Watch 5 active. And now scroll down, find the option called More, right here, and tap on it. And at the bottom, you will see the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on Continue. Watch will disappear from the device page and it will start to reset itself to the factory default settings. So we can close the app, and on the watch, once you see the list of languages, it means that the reset is complete. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.